Founders Lodge in Africa again. The portal magnified into a orb. You can see it. If you're a light worker, you can do this. If you're not, you can't. Ouch. So as you can see, a Reiki healer can send out healing energy, and some of us can send out and affect light. can record for about another 26 minutes unless I bring an arm. Because in order to hold that light, I have to hold an awful lot of tension on an awful lot of different muscles at the same time. I am doing this live. See, I will lose my focus for a second just to show you. This is also why they want you to focus on the fake war and the fake sicknesses around the world. Don't get me wrong, people are really dying, but it's to distract you so that you don't realize any one of you can do this. It comes down to belief. Like I've always said, it's like the guy in that stupid movie there with Will Smith at the, oh Jesus, when America gets invaded on July 4th, and they don't believe the one guy that's seen these for 46 years. Well, guess what? They are real. And they are here. Right there. I choose not to believe the government. And this is why. Because they don't want you to know about this. That is my favorite duck. He is so quiet. He makes this so easy. He has taught me tolerance and patience. See? Something like that quacking of a duck irritates you in life, you have to face it. Learn to just accept that it's going to quack no matter what. And when you learn to just accept things and for the way they are, you'll be able to approach this light. Don't ask me what those black glyphs of cloud are. They're like obscurials if you see them flying around. Ghosts, if you will. People ask me why I believe. There you go. Seen these lights my whole life. They just reappeared. Oh. 2021. 3.5 years ago. Three of these appeared out here in the sky. One directly above me, about 100 feet when it came down. I got 20 minutes left before this block of time. Excuse me. Excuse me. See, every time I burp, the light gets stronger. So I try not to burp too much. Or pass gas, same thing. Sorry, my hand's getting tired. That's why the light's fluctuating. I have to move. This is with me holding I guess like a convex blue crystal in my right hand. I just switched hands because my arm was getting tired. I decided to grab my crystal when I did. It's to show you that crystals amplify people's energy that are light workers. So they're not full of SHIT. And now it's causing a tingling in my right chest. sorry, I had the itch. It was bothering my chest. And the light went crazy because I did that. That's what it does if you hold your breath. I only have 13 minutes of time left. Like I said, I got too many of these videos. I had to delete a not so great one so that I could make this one. And you see, when it does that light, that's when there's pressure right in the very top left center of my head, on the top, not in the front, on the top. You'll have to use your mind, your eyes, chest muscles, stomach muscles, leg muscles, and foot muscles, and your hands to control these. This one's making me get really friggin' hot because it's getting bright. And I'm still holding the crystal in my hand. I don't know, I'll be able to show you right. It is a convex blue crystal that fits perfectly. I made it, and it fits perfectly in my hand. And it helps amplify my energy. See? Guess it's like a Jedi making a lightsaber, other than I made a crystal. Ta-da! I don't know what kind of crystal it is either. It's blue. It's perfectly round and it's convex, and when it fits in your hand, I think it just amplifies like a satellite dish. Oh yeah, this is plasma. And plasma, as you can see, is intelligent and alive. Oh yeah, I made this portal, but that's made it with with another being. Yeah. That's the hard part to explain, and I only got 9 minutes, and I don't know how to explain how I have to connect with a being of pure energy. And we compress energy to make this. Oh, they're at a few different places. Sorry, I guess I can explain this a little bit. This is like an energetic spirit. This is the earth spirit. There's one that's here that's in the water as well. And then there's a bunch that are in the air. And they are at various sites all around the world. Religious sites, say places where there's big volumes of water moving, like specific dams, waterfalls. Oh yeah, and there was a real strong one at a castle in Scotland. When I connected with that one, that's when my porcelain heat pump motor melted. That's right, porcelain melted. I have a short video that shows me holding up the motor. I didn't realize how it happened until after. Because it's porcelain, and if you look at it, there was no way. You can't even do that with a, I don't know, laser welder cutter. and it was melted from the inside out. Mine, you could see where the porcelain got so hot instantly it turned to liquid and was dripping inside of my heat pump, and did not melt the very paper thin plastic blade right in front of it, because these energetic beings are able to think a lot better than you and I. They found me, I didn't find them. Five minutes, roughly. Set that crystal down, give my hand a break for a minute. See, as soon as I let go of the crystal, the light starts to weaken a little. See, the breathing is key to magnifying it. And yeah, as you just heard, that was my stomach. You can activate it too fast. Yeah. Who says what they show you in the movies can't be real? Because this ain't a movie. This is real. Ooh-ah. And now I don't know why I keep saying ooh-ah. That started about 6 months ago when I first met them here at this pond on this live stream. I just accidentally clicked the pond and I sensed something. And then they appeared. And I have been filming them all around the world ever since. A lot at the infrared at the volcanoes. This is like a sentient being of plasmatic light. And they can be activated by light workers or themselves. Two minutes. I'm going to zoom in and out that zoomed right in on it. 7.8. That's 12, that's too much. What do you think the government will tell you? You ask my government, they'll say this is a conservative trick. You ask the fucking American government, they'd be like, oh, this is democratic propaganda. Something that Trump made up. Nope. And by that, you will see that I like the leader of the opposite country and hate my own. And I know hate's a strong word for a light worker, but I'm pretty sure the rest of the world knows everything that Mr. Trudeau has done. I got no problem saying that. Don't like it? Stop being a